Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, November 2nd. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. We got a couple items here on the economic calendar, so let's jump right in. We'll start with the ISM Manufacturing PMI for the month of October. Back in September, we finished off the month at 55.4. Anything above 50 is considered kind of expansion or optimism. So we started out September pretty well and finished October at 59.3, which is a pretty big jump there and obviously very good news for manufacturing. Last but not least, we got construction spending for the month of September. Back in August, we had 1.4% increase in construction. They were expecting at least 1% for September. However, it came in so kind of a little dismal at 0.3%. However, the big ticket item here is ISM manufacturing, which is what the investors will be looking at and will be very pleased with. So let's jump ahead to the headline news. Stocks are up this morning after kind of a weekly decline last week. Their big sell-off was primarily due to the increase in COVID, concerns that perhaps we might have a lockdown as Europe's been kind of locking down a bit more. There's a bit of a concern. So you had a bit of a sell-off, a lot more money coming out of the markets for the most part, and it looks like we may be seeing money coming back into the markets. We do have some Q3 corporate earnings reports being released. Tomorrow also we'll have the election, which will be a big impact. What they're going to be looking for is not so much that either person wins, it's just that they're looking for some certainty. So if there's any uncertainty, like if this gets dragged out into a legal fiasco for the next several weeks, that's going to stir up the markets, and probably you'll see the stock market kind of tank a bit. That might actually help our bond market as that money might go into flight of safety or haven, which is mortgage-backed securities. So that might help us out in that regards, but for the most part, it won't be good for stocks if we have any uncertainty in the market. So they're hoping for obviously a landslide for either candidate. Let's jump ahead to what the headline or what the mortgage-backed securities are looking like today. We're doing much better today. We had tried to reach the 50-day moving average, fell below it, fell on Friday. However, we didn't close at the lows. We ended up closer, and that kind of helped us up with the momentum. We opened the day up just above the 25-day moving average. We came up towards the next technical and kind of pulled back so far this morning. But right now we're still up 16 basis points, which translates to better pricing today for mortgage rates. Good news for those who are in the middle of a refinance and or purchase market. Let's jump ahead to see what yields are doing. And yields too are kind of pulling back, so that's adding less pressure on mortgage-backed securities. We're down to about 0.83 right now after touching on Friday that next technical level, and just kind of pulled back, but we did start the day up higher and pull back a little bit as well. So we're down to about 0.83 currently at the moment. Now, if you guys are looking to purchase or refinance, got questions about anything, stay tuned. I'll leave a link to another website. Go ahead and click on it. It will be at the end of this website, at the end of this video, as well as in the description. It'll give you information on different loan programs and stuff out there. A little bit about me. I am a loan officer, and I do work with a national company, so we can help people in different states. We can answer any questions you have. We can help you with your financing if your next refinance, whether if you're looking to go do a rate term or just trying to get a taking money out of the equity, or if you're looking to go from or purchasing, if you need to get pre-approved to buy your next property and get qualified and buy your next property, finance your next property. Those are different options we can go help you out with. If you don't find the answers you're looking for on that website, please feel free to reach out, and I'll make sure we get you the answers you're searching for. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.